Hey guys, PITA here, and today I want to tell you about unique step bridge across the river Bjoreio, connecting the viewpoints and paths at Fossatromma and Fossli. The bridge has 99 steps and a span of 47 meters. The height difference between the two sides of the gorge is 16 meters. The step bridge consists of two tripods founded on rock that carry the center span. The structure is made up of 7 parts, of which 5 make up the flight of steps and the final 2 serve as supports. The 7 bridge components have been hoisted in place by a crane and assembled on site. The entire step bridge is built in steel and secured with long rock bolts drilled into the rock. The bridge is located only a few tens of meters south of where the waterfall cascades in Mabodalen and with a height of 50 meters above the rapids. The bridge is also a dizzying viewpoint.
Let's get started.
Before we met, I was out of my mind. I was spinning in circles looking for a sign. Then you came to me like a dream in the night. Showed me the way, yeah, you saved my life. When you said, until our days are through. I'm never giving up on you. Through the sleepless nights, through the hardest times, when you're feeling low, don't know what to do. I'm never giving up on you. They said good love isn't easy to find, but I saw it shining in your diamond eyes. I was broken like dishes on the kitchen floor.